Welcome back to Geek. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Olympus Vanta GX and show you how to change the window. The first thing you're going to want to do is know when to change the window. Now, if the window is located right in here, so if you open up this hatch inside, there's a hole in the middle where you've been testing. The plastic sticker on the outside is actually the XRF window. So what does that mean? That means that the X-rays go through this window and they do elemental analysis for everything on the other side. So what you need to know is this window here cannot be dirty, punctured, or damaged. The most expensive components for this analyzer are right under this window, which are the X-ray tube and the X-ray detector. So I'm going to make sure that this area is clean, that there isn't debris that's going to fall into the analyzer. And once that's clear, all I need to do is there's a tab here on the bottom. So I'm going to show you what a new window looks like right here. You can see that red tab. So I'm going to find that here, and I'm just going to gently pull up, and I'm able to easily remove the old window. And you can see there's a little puncture on that, but it doesn't go all the way through the window. This window is okay to use, but I run it a lot and it could just be dirty, and I get better results out of clean windows. So I'm gonna set that window aside. Okay, now the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go and you're gonna find windows in your case or your box. If you're out of windows or this is your last window, you need to order more on alloygeek.com. You can open this up here, take out this window, and we're gonna remove, there's a backing on the back side that just comes right off, just like a sticker. And you can see now we've got a nice clean window, brand new to use. It aligns right with the hole in the center of the instrument. So we're gonna put it there and run our finger around the outside. Now, this is a very important thing to do. Let me grab this one here. This adhesive here that's used is a pressure sensitive adhesive, so you want to make sure you push it down in place to make sure it sticks, doesn't move on you. And now you have a brand new window on your Vanta GX. This is going to give you the best results when you have brand new windows. If you need more windows, remember you can find them on alloygeek.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.